So we are remodeling our second basement bedroom, and this time I am removing the wallpaper. I don't want to make that mistake again. Can't claim to be an expert on removing wallpaper, but this is a workflow that worked for me. So the first step is to take a pesticide sprayer, something clean obviously, and spray it with warm water. I usually spray it down 2 to 3 times actually, just to get it nice and wet. Next step, I go ahead and score the wallpaper. The distance between the score marks is actually about the same width as my wallpaper steamer, as you'll see in the next step. So as you can tell, we've already removed the actual outer coat of the wallpaper just by pulling it off. That was easy. But what's left behind is a paper backer that's adhered to the wall with some nasty glue. So after wetting it, if I take my 6-inch putty knife and try to scrape the wallpaper, it's wet, it starts to come off, but it really doesn't want to come off very easily. So that's when I bring out the Wagner wallpaper steamer, and you can see how that stuff comes off. The trick is to get it hot, and that's what the steamer does. You can see just how easy that wallpaper comes off. It's not just the wallpaper backer, it's the glue as well. So by using that nice smooth scraper, you get all the glue and all the paper